Good morning, students. Today we will going to read the second chapter of the physics, force and laws of motion. Students, what is force? In daily life, we come across many situations in which force is needed. See in the figure, a boy is pushing the door, and in the other figure, the boy is pulling the door. So this is called force. Means we have the definition. Pull or push on a body is called force. The next definition, another definition of the force is, you can write, force is an effort which makes the stationary objects move or moving objects stop. We can say the force is an external agency. Listen my definition. The force is an external agency which tends or tries to change the motion direction of the object. Types of effects of forces. What can forces do? Force क्या क्या कर सकता है? The first is, force can stop a moving body. Suppose a ball is moving, a ball is rolling along the force. We can stop it, or by the force of friction of the earth, the ball stops after some time. The second effect is, force can move a stationary body. By kicking, in the figure you can see the ball is in rest. We can make it in motion by kicking it. The next is the third. Force can change the speed of a moving body. By the force, the speed, it can be accelerated or retarded the moving body. For example, if we are riding the body, by applying the greater force, we can accelerate, we can increase the speed, or by applying the brakes, we can decrease the speed. Means force can change the speed of moving body. The next is, force can change the direction of motion of moving body. Force can change the direction of motion of moving body. Means by the force we can change the direction also. For example, in game of cricket, the batsman changes the direction of the ball bowled by the bowler. You can see the figure. A ball is moving towards the batsman. He hits the ball and changes the direction. And another effect, force can change the shape and size. Force can change the shape and size. In this example, we can see a balloon. By applying the force, its shape is changed. And in other example, in other figure, here we have a spring. By stretching it, we can change its length. Means there are 5 effects of the force. The first is, force can stop a moving body. The second is, force can move a stationary body. The third is, force can change the speed of moving body. The fourth is, force can change the direction of motion of moving body. And the next is, फोर्स कैन चेंज द शेप एंड साइज। स्टूडेंट्स, अभी तक हम लोगों ने फोर्स के बारे में पढ़ा, थोड़ा सा इसको हम हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर ले रहे हैं। फोर्स क्या है? फोर्स जो है पुश है या पुल है, विच चेंजेज आर ट्राइज टू चेंज द स्पीड, द डायरेक्शन आर शेप एंड साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट। फोर्स वह एक्सटर्नल एजेंसी है जो किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के स्पीड को चेंज कर सकता है, उसके डायरेक्शन को चेंज कर सकता है, उसके शेप और साइज को चेंज कर सकता है या चेंज करने का प्रयास करता है। द नेक्स्ट इज टाइप्स ऑफ फोर्सेस। फोर्सेस आर मेनली कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज, balanced and unbalanced forces. Balanced force is the force if two or more forces acting on a body keeps the body in its position of rest or of uniform motion, then the force is called balanced force. See in example, a book is lying on the table. There are different types of forces. Gravitational force, that is weight of the book. Reaction of the table, which acts upward, and you can observe the book is in the position of rest. Means this type of force is called balanced force. We have a definition of balanced force. If the resultant of all forces acting on a body is zero, then the forces are known as balanced force. And the next is unbalanced force. Means balanced force can also be defined as if a number of balanced forces acts on a body having uniform motion, then the body remains in the uniform motion. कहने का मतलब यह है कि अगर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पर ढेर सारे फोर्सेज काम कर रहे हैं और इनका रिजल्टेंट यानी नेट इफेक्ट जो है इनका जीरो है, तो ऐसे मोशन, ऐसे फोर्स को हम लोग बैलेंस्ड फोर्स कहेंगे। बैलेंस्ड फोर्स जो होगा, बैलेंस्ड फोर्स से क्या होगा कि आइदर द बॉडी इफ इज इन रेस्ट पोजीशन इट विल रिमेन इन रेस्ट, एंड इफ इट इज मूविंग विथ यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड इट विल रिमेन इन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड। मीन्स बैलेंस फोर्स जो है ऑब्जेक्ट के पोजीशन को चेंज नहीं करता है, बैलेंस फोर्स जो है ऑब्जेक्ट के शेप को चेंज कर सकता है। नाउ अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स, द नेक्स्ट इज अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्सेस। सिंपल सी बात है, इफ रिजल्टेंट ऑफ ऑल द फोर्सेस एक्टिंग ऑन अ बॉडी इज नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो, देन the forces are known as unbalanced forces. For example, see here in the figure, a boy is holding a book in his hand. There are two forces, force of his hand and force of gravity. These are unbalanced forces. These are balanced forces, and you can see the book is in his hand. But if he releases the book, there is only the force of gravity. Means the single force whose resultant is not zero, and this is called unbalanced force. Unbalanced force can change the motion, है ना, ये मोशन कर सकता है, तो ये आपको दिया हुआ है। हियर वी हैव सम एग्जाम्पल्स, सम कंक्लूजन्स फॉर द बैलेंस फोर्सेज। नेट फोर्स ऑफ ऑल द बैलेंस फोर्सेज इज जीरो। बैलेंस्ड फोर्सेज कैन नॉट चेंज द स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट और ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, बट can change the shape or size of the body, or for the unbalanced forces, net force of all the unbalanced forces is non-zero, is zero नहीं होगा, and it can change the state of rest or of uniform motion and the shape and size of the body. So these are some conclusion about balanced and unbalanced forces. Now नेक्स्ट इज न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन, जो आपको पढ़ना है. द लॉज यू हैव टू राइट इट आल्सो. अ बॉडी एट रेस्ट विल रिमेन एट रेस्ट एंड अ बॉडी इन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन विल कंटिन्यू टू मूव इन स्ट्रेट लाइन विथ कांस्टेंट स्पीड until and unless some external unbalanced force is applied on it. अब मतलब यह है कि अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, कोई बॉडी रेस्ट पोजीशन में है तो यह रेस्ट पोजीशन में रहेगी, और अगर यह यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में है, मीन्स यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से अगर चल रही है, तो यह तब तक स्ट्रेट लाइन में चलती रहेगी कांस्टेंट स्पीड से, जब तक कि उस पर कोई एक्सटर्नल अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स अप्लाई न किया जाए. दिस इज कॉल्ड न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन. स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज all for today. You have to make notes for this chapter. You have to write first the force. What is force? You have to define the force. I have underlined. You have to write. The next is effects of force. What force can do? There are 5 effects. Force can stop. First, force can move. Third is force can change the speed. Fourth is force can change the direction. And next is force can change the shape and size. Now the next is we have to write balanced and balanced. What is balanced force and what is unbalanced force? The definition of balanced force is written here. Definition of unbalanced force is written here. Now the conclusion about balanced and unbalanced force, you have to make note, you have to write. And in last, Newton's first law of motion, which is very important, you have to write and make note. This will be your classwork for today. You have to make notes. So first of all, you have to watch the video. If you will watch the video, you will be able to understand the course which we are doing today, we are studying today. And I am also sending the contents which helps you, which will help you to make the notes, and after some time you will have your homework. Thank you.